It has now been 3 weeks since our last contact with the Mars base. There could be a major communications problem, but I don't have to tell you my greater fear.
We'll be entering Mars orbit in 16 minutes, Colonel. Touchdown at Base Elysium in 42 minutes.
Be careful. There are 10 Spectrum personnel there. Every one of them a volunteer. God knows what may have happened to them.
We'll do whatever has to be done, Colonel.
Don't really have a chance, do they?
So they cleared the scientists out of Elysium when the Mysterons declared war. I don't care if our guys were volunteers. They were sitting ducks, just waiting for the Mysterons to hit them.
Mars is a big planet, and Elysium is a very small base. The Mysterons might not even have known they were there.
Do you really believe that?